Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by working with completely dry, residue-free hair. This helps locks form and prevents mildew. Once done, section hair into consistent 0. 5-1. 5-inch groups, clipping each away so you can focus. You choose a root technique now, 2-strand twists if you want more definition, palm rolling for a looser start, because the root sets the future pattern and strength, and you need that control from the first pass. You form each lock by tightly twisting or palm rolling from root to tip, making sure tension is firm but not painful. That tension encourages matting. Once formed, maintain by washing about once per week with a residue-free shampoo to remove dirt without loosening the base. Make routine maintenance every 2 to 4 weeks. Retwist or palm roll new growth and gently separate sections that want a fuse, because consistent attention shapes durable, uniform freeform dreads. You now let the locks mature. Expect 6 to 12 months before stable freeform texture, and remember unevenness is normal. Maturity evens it out. Trim only obvious, excessive fray. Never force comb because that undoes matting. If you notice mildew or persistent odor, immediately deep cleanse with a clarifying wash, towel blot, and increase drying time. Use airflow or periodic sunlight to avoid recurrence, because dampness is the usual cause and fast correction prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.